Hello class, today we're going to be talking about healthy lifestyles and making sure our body is taken care of. What does being healthy mean? Can somebody raise their hand and define that for me? Yes, Caitlin, what does being healthy mean?
Exercising.
Exercising, that's a great example. Being active, being physical, running, jumping. Yes, Taylor?
Eating carrots every day.
Eating carrots every day.
Veggies.
Carrots are a part of it.
Veggies.
We'll talk about that in a little bit. Veggies, yeah, having different kind of veggies. What about you, Carly? What do you think a healthy lifestyle is?
Eating whole foods.
Eating whole foods. What does that mean?
I don't even know. Fresh foods.
Fresh foods, yeah. A balanced diet. Caitlin?
Eating lots of different types of food.
Eating lots of different kinds of foods. I love that. You guys already have a good knowledge about this. So we're going to go and look at the screen right here. We have a really colorful plate, and it's from Choose My Plate. Can anybody tell me what they notice about this image? Carly?
They're different colors.
They are different colors. There's some blue and orange and red. Caitlin, what else do you notice?
None of the foods are touching.
None of the foods are touching. Wow, that's a great observation. Taylor?
All of the foods have their own section.
Mm-hmm. And they have their own name. So for the blue one, we have dairy. For the brownish orange, we have grains. For the purple, we have protein. Green, we have vegetables. And red, we have fruit. And we're going to learn what those are today. It's really important to have all of these on our plate. So we're going to start with a dairy product. And I'm going to put cheese. Taylor, can you give me another example of a dairy product?
Milk.
Milk, that's a great example.
Can you put chocolate milk too? I like chocolate milk.
I like chocolate milk too, but we're just going to put milk for now. Because you think chocolate milk's healthier than white milk?
No.
No. Why?
It's
Why is
yummy.
that? What's in it that makes it a little different?
Chocolate.
Chocolate, and chocolate's lots of sugar. Caitlin?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Yep. All right. We're going to move on to fruit. I love to eat apples as a snack. Carly, can you give me an example of a fruit?
Pear.
Pear. Yum. To now go to veggie, which is, remember, they all have a color, so veggies are green on the plate. I really like mushrooms. Does anybody else like mushrooms? No,
Ew.
that's okay. Maybe you will later. What's another veggie that you like, Caitlin?
Carrots.
Carrots. Yum.
I like carrots too.
With ranch.
And Taylor brought up that she wants to eat carrots every single day, which eating carrots is a great idea. It's really good for your eyes and your skin, and they have lots of goodies for your body. But to have a really healthy diet, you need to have multiple vegetables in it. You could have carrots, mushrooms, and peppers one day, and just incorporating different vegetables. Because each vegetable has something different for your body. That's really important. A protein is either a meat or a bean. I'm going to put turkey. Carly, what's an example of a protein?
Tuna.
Tuna. Can anybody think of a kind of bean? Yes, Caitlin?
A black bean.
A black bean.
Green bean.
Black bean. Make sure we raise our hand, Taylor. Whoop. So there's some people who don't eat any kind of meat, and protein is really important to eat, right? So they get all of their yummy protein from different kinds of beans and grains and things like that. Yes, Caitlin?
Would eggs go under protein?
Eggs would go under protein. That's a good example.
My mama told me that one.
Well, your mom sounds like a smart woman. All right, our last category is grains. Taylor, can you give me an example of grains?
I don't really know what that is.
Here, I'll give you one, and then hopefully that can help you think of some. So I'm going to put whole wheat bread.
Wheat thins.
Wheat thins, yeah, that's a grain. Also things like pasta, rice. Does anybody like quinoa? Yeah, that's really yummy and good for you. So I'm going to give you an example of a type of food that can fit into multiple categories. Because sometimes you can have all of them in one kind of meal, one kind of food. So I'm going to put a pizza. And what do we usually have on pizza, Caitlin? What's one thing on a pizza you can think of?
Cheese.
Cheese, yummy cheese. Taylor, what else is a pizza made out of?
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Crust.
Oh, hold on, I'm gonna let Carly have a try. Carly, what else is on a pizza?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni, yum. And Kaylin, what did you say before?
Crust.
Crust. I really like to add peppers on my pizza too, so I'm gonna add peppers. So we have a lot of different kinds of foods on just one piece of pizza. So where would the cheese go in the categories of dairy, fruit, vegetables, protein, or grains? Caitlin? Nice job, dairy. I'm gonna also write it over here. Pizza. Where would the tomato sauce, Taylor, go?
Well, isn't a tomato a vegetable or is it a fruit?
It is actually a kind of fruit.
Oh.
Most people think it's a vegetable, but it's because it has seeds in it, so that makes it a
Okay.
fruit. So I'm gonna put pizza. Who would have thought fruit on a pizza? That's pretty silly, huh? Okay,
Except
and
pineapple. Pineapple does not go on pizza.
I like pineapple on
Like,
pizza.
I love pineapple.
But
and
that's
I-
okay.
Pizza.
Whoa, that's okay if you don't like
Talk to
that.
the hand, Taylor.
Hey Carly, where would pepperoni go?
Protein.
Protein, nice job. I'm gonna put pizza there. And we have a crust and peppers, and the crust would go in the grains, and the peppers would go in the vegetables. All right, so now that we know the different categories of food, tomorrow we're gonna plan some meals that are well balanced and that we can cook in class.